it's Miriam for HonorBuy, and you may be thinking, why am I like this? Today I'm going to use one of my favorite products, the massage gun. This product costs about 89 euros and it will relieve for your pain after your exercise or maybe because you're so stressed working so much in front of your laptop. So it comes in this case, black color. This massage gun weighs 1.6 kilograms and has over 20 different kinds of power. It comes with 6 different heads. That will be the charger, and that will be the gun. 1.6 kilograms, but still is pretty light. And it has a grip not to slip. So after my run, I want to massage my legs. Because I'm not an expert, I'm gonna take a look to the instructions. They know very well how to do things, so I'm gonna go for the manual. Different parts of the body, in my case, will be the legs. And here you've got the recommendations, which heads to use. I'm gonna go for the air cushioning soft head. I'm gonna leave it here. In the manual, let's see which one is. It will be this one, my legs. Let's try it. First of all, let's switch it on. Now we already can see that the lights are on. So here are the recommendations for each muscle. In this case, we will be the tensor. You can check it here. And it will be in between 15 and 20 seconds, a couple of times. That are recommendations for your health. As well, there are different powers. You can put it harder. It's not complicated because it's very light product. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy it as much as I did. Bye!